Well, this is a pretty rare opportunity and I figured I'd take it. It's Sunday morning and I was driving from the holler back towards our house. It's not very often I stop and say I'm going to show you some roadkill, but this is a really unique roadkill. You don't see it very often. There's a pocket of these animals around here, but it's rare that you get to see one up close, so I wanted to take this opportunity to show you. So it's a white squirrel, guys. They're around Brevard, in the Brevard area, and actually expanding out because I've seen them all over now. You can see these things, and they're not, I don't believe they're actually albino, they're just white. Whoop. White squirrel. No pink eyes though, black eyes. There's this hints of gray here. There's a gray stripe down the back, but the whole squirrel, other than that, is white. There's actually a white squirrel festival in Brevard, but I've seen these squirrels now. It used to be, you'd see them less out this far, but I think they're expanding their range out from Brevard. We're a long ways from Brevard here, but I've seen them up as far as West Asheville.
Call you.
Look,
what is it?
It's a white squirrel.
Is it dead?
It's dead. Crazy, huh?
That's crazy. Oh, did you hear that? Justice is coming with you. Please hold it.
No, you can't hold it. You can look at it though.
Hold it.
You can't hold it. It's kind of dirty. It's dead. But you can look at it. It's a white. Have you ever seen a white squirrel?
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever seen one this close? Miss Gracie, have you ever seen one this close?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it down now. I guess we're switching car seats. I don't know what's going on. We're switching car seats on the side of the road. Justice is coming with me. We're headed back to the camper. Bye. What were you saying?
Look, all this is white and black.
Yeah.
I put the white that way, and then I put the black like that.
Have you ever seen a white squirrel?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen one this close?
No.
It's kind of sad he got hit by a car. All right, let's roll, buddy. There's not many white squirrels around the country, but there's a ton around here.
What about 2 million on the whole planet?
I doubt there's 2 million, honestly.
I think it goes about a million.
All right, a little morbid, a little sad, but I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you something that you probably have never seen, unless you live around here. I think there's one or two other pockets. Maybe, if you have a white squirrel pocket or you've ever seen one, leave a comment. Let me know. I'm curious where they are. All right, bye-bye. I guess this is going to be kind of a piecemeal video. We're back on our homestead, really for a couple hours right now. I wanted to talk about geese though. You know, honestly, while we've been away from the homestead, even though I've been here every day, we've lost some chickens, and the chickens end up, even if we pin them up, they end up escaping eventually. Something that's really cool is we haven't lost a single duck or a goose. The geese are down here in the creek right now, behind this woodshed. There's just 5 of them here, but there's 2 more up at the garden with the ducks. The geese, I think the main factor in protection with the geese is their noise level. You know, a fox or a coyote or a dog could pick off a goose pretty easily, but the geese collectively are so loud that I think they just keep stuff out. I really do think the whole guard goose thing is real and it's effective, at least when you have 7 of them. Beautiful day. Oh yeah, I'll get his car seat. You ready to leave?
No.
No, you want to stay?
No.
You want to stay for a couple days?
No.
How long?
10.
10 days? You'll get a chance soon. There's 3 deer. And 100 turkeys.
Okay, how do I zoom in?
Guys, this is crazy. This is a turkey white. It's like a white animal day. There's about 30 wild turkeys in this field, and there's 1 white one, and I've never seen a white turkey with wild turkeys. I've seen plenty of white turkeys, but I don't know if it escaped from a farm or what, but I've never seen that ever. It's just funny because we saw the white squirrel this morning, and I've seen white squirrels, but we saw this one up close, and then I don't know if you can see it. I wish I had another lens on here. Yeah, you can see it. It's just a little dot right there. Should I run out there and film it?
You want to try to? Yeah.
No. All right, there it goes. What?
Look at him fly. Film it.
Where's the white one?
It went this way. You can see it up close as Christmas.
The white one's right there. That's crazy.
It was really pretty. I've actually never seen a herd of turkeys that big.
I've seen way more, but that is a lot.
Flock of turkeys.
I've seen
That's a lot.
Look at all these old Christmas trees.
There's 3 deer too, right out with them.
I know. Did you point out these barn quilts and these?
No, it's too far. Can't really see. I guess this was the video of kind of random things today. A white squirrel, 7 white guard geese, and a white wild turkey. Kind of an interesting theme, huh?
And a dead raccoon.
Where?
We saw a dead raccoon also.
I can't wait to tell Lily I saw a albino turkey. I can't tell. Wait until I get in. I saw a dead raccoon.